Alrighty folks, back with another recipe with the MSC, the Marine Stewardship Council, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make Goong Chae Nam Pla from Thailand, or Thai fish sauce and lime cured prawns. Oh my god, absolute cracker of a dish for summer, and look at the quality of these king prawns. It does not get much better than that. Plus they come from a sustainable fishery. Honestly. Now, we're going to begin by using chili, garlic, coriander root and lime, and really grinding that up into a paste in the mortar and pestle. Then add a tablespoon of white sugar and a good glug of good quality fish sauce. Good quality is really important. Grind that up into a nice sauce. Then look at these prawns. Firstly, peel them. Yummy. Slice them in half, remove the poo tube, and then arrange them on a plate. Then really generously dress with that sauce, fresh mint to garnish, and then a good squeeze of lime to finish. Now to serve, I'm serving them on some white cabbage leaves, which add extra crunch. And I also took the prawn legs, I coated them in corn flour and deep fried them to make these beautiful crispy little nuggets to garnish. And oh my god, super zesty, fiery, spicy, so delicious. And you wouldn't think to eat a raw prawn, but let me tell you, this was nuts. So good. Always make sure that when you're shopping for sustainable seafood, you're looking for the blue MSC fish tick. Enjoy!